This method of making money online is what I like to call the set and forget method, because once you set this up, you can just sit back and let the money roll in. You can literally just let everything run on complete autopilot. This system is a viral system that will do all of the work for you. It functions where it will drive traffic, make sales, and earn money for you. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same in this step-by-step tutorial. And best of all, this will require zero investment, making it completely free. You also won't have to create your own product or website, and it's completely beginner-friendly. You can also do this from literally anywhere in the world. I will also show you a secret trick I discovered to ensure that you will go viral, so make sure you watch every step in this video all the way until the end so you know exactly how to set up this system to go viral. Before you view today's video on how to make money with this viral system with affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation for making money online with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. It's my top recommendation for affiliate marketing because it taught me everything I know about affiliate marketing, and it's accessible for complete beginners. Alright, now let's get into today's tutorial. So before I show you this brand new platform, I'd like you to head over to this website called Cpagrip.com. If you are unfamiliar with this website, it is a platform or website used to promote various CPA offers. Cost per action is referred to as CPA. This essentially means that all these offers will enable you to refer people to them. Purchasing anything is not required. The only thing that is required is completing a particular action. Typically, it's for someone to provide their own email address where you will then get paid. You won't have to sell anything, and they won't have to spend any money. It's much easier than that because, like I said, the way for you to get paid is by someone submitting their email address. So I'd like you to head over to cpagrip.com, scroll to the top of the page, and click on the button that says Register. When you click on Register, you will be redirected to this page where you can create your own free account. All you need to do is fill in some basic personal information like your name, email address, and more. After you've done that and created your account, just click on Login and log into your new account. So I'd like for you to know that there are people making thousands of dollars with this platform. People are regularly making money on this platform every single day, and you can see all of them right here. So the first thing you will want to do is go over to Offer Tools and click on My Offers. After you've gone to My Offers, you will want to select some of these affiliate offers or CPA offers for you to promote. Also, I usually prefer for the category to be email submission because those are much easier to convince someone to put in their email as opposed to getting someone to pay for something or download an app. So for the email submission category, all someone has to do is simply put in their own email address and then you get paid. So for this option, it shows what they can win or receive in the title right here. And then right here under payout, it shows how much you will get paid for every email that's submitted. And then for this option right here, they can receive a gift card worth this much money, and there are so many more that people can check out and earn. So what you want to focus on is finding the giveaway offers where someone can have the chance of winning some sort of prize. When you find one and click on it, just make sure you change the tracking domain to anything else right here. After you do that, you can copy your affiliate link right here. This is how you're going to get paid. Every time someone clicks on this link and enters their email address for a chance to win something, you will get paid this much money right here. So what I want to do is show you how you can set up a viral system that will result in people signing up 24/7 even when you're not awake. So first, just copy your affiliate link, then head on over to bio.link. This is essentially a landing page for all of your links. And don't worry, it's completely free. So in order to create an account, just click on the button up here that says Sign Up. After you sign up for your account, you then will want to log into your new account. After you have logged in, it should look something like this. It will show your name right here, and if you'd like to change it, you can just click on Design right here and add any new name you would like. So for my situation, I'm just going to do Cashflow Worldwide. Then you can add any profile picture you'd like. You can use a picture of yourself or any picture you find on Google if you don't want to show your face. So next, you want to go over to Links and then click on the button that says Add Link. Then paste your affiliate link in this box and then add a title of your choosing. For For the title, you can just copy and paste the title of the offer that you selected from Cpagrip. After you've done that, you can click Save. And now you can see it popped up right here. So whenever someone clicks on your link and then clicks on this button that you've just created and input their email, you will then receive your payout from the offer you chose in Cpagrip. And it may not seem like a lot of money, but don't worry. I'm going to explain and show you exactly how you can get hundreds and even thousands of people to click on your link and add their email address. So now what you're going to do next is share your link. It will be right here on the top. So when I click on it, this is what it will look like. This will be your special custom link. Okay, so now the next thing you will do is go over to a website called canva.com. This website is free to use, and it's a design website where you can create thousands of different graphic designs. And don't worry, you don't need to be a digital designer to use this. We will just be using templates. So we are just going to type in the search bar giveaway under the templates category. So you can just browse through all of these and select one you like. So I'll just choose this one as an example. So I'm just going to change it up a bit to match the offer I selected. So I'll just type something like this. And then you can change up the design or colors a bit if you'd like. So I think this looks good enough. It's really just this easy and simple. So after you are finished creating your design, you can just click on share and then click on download and download this file straight to your computer. So the next thing you'll want to do is head on over to Facebook. And you don't need any followers on Facebook or whatever. You could just have created your account and it would be totally fine. So what you want to do is create a post around the giveaway that you are creating. So just type in what the offer explains that you selected on Cpagrip. And then below that, you will want to type in a few steps. For number 1, you will want to write, tag one friend in the comments. For number 2, write, share this post. And for number 3, write, submit your entry here. And this is where you will paste your bio.link. So you might be wondering why I didn't just place the affiliate link right here, and the reason is because Facebook doesn't accept affiliate links in posts. If you do try to place your affiliate link in your post, you could risk getting banned, or they'll just choose to delete your post. That's the reason you want to use bio.link as a workaround that. So after you've done that, you can just upload the design you created in Canva. This will add a visual element to grab someone's attention and get them to click on it. So you'll just post it onto your account. So after you create your post on Facebook, you want to copy the URL of the Facebook post and go to the next website we will be using, which is the source of our viral element of this system. Before I show you this viral secret, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing for complete beginners. So this website is called picoworkers.com. It's a micro job website where people will visit to make money online. So what you can do on this website is look for people who would share your Facebook post at a very cheap price. I want to mention that this step is completely optional. You can simply just post on Facebook and get traffic organically by friends tagging other friends and so on to create a snowball effect. But if you don't have any friends or followers on your Facebook account, using this option with Pico Workers is how you can make this go viral. This will mean you have to make a small investment, but again, it's totally optional if you would rather not pay anything at all. But if you want to create this viral system, all you have to do is invest literally less than $10. All you need to do is click on the button that says sign up, fill in your information, and create your account. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be able to find people who will share your Facebook post for like 5 or 10 cents. This will begin the viral system by creating a snowball effect. This will get a ton of people to sign up. So let's say you are paying 10 cents for every Facebook share. That means you can get 1,000 people to share your Facebook post for just $10. That is a ton of people to get the snowball effect going, which will result in so many more people sharing that post. Let's say each of them only has 5 friends. That means you can reach 5,000 people. And if any of those friends are interested, they will tag their friends and it'll spread like crazy. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you would like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.